In this video, we will learn how to group and ungroup data in Google Sheet. So let's start. This is my Google Sheet. I have here some data. So I'm going to first group some row. I select here 5 to 10 row. Then go to the View tab and click on the Group option. Here you see the rows, group rows 5 to 10 is showing. If you selected 4 to 10, it's showing the 4 to 10. So I just click on it to group the rows. When you click on it group option, you see the one line and here the minus sign. When you click on this minus sign, the data will group. When you click on the plus sign, data will ungroup. Same as when you select the column, I just select here D to G. Then go to the View tab, click on the Group option. Here also show D to G column showing. Just click on the Group column here, the line with the minus sign. When you click on the minus sign, all column will group. If you want to ungroup again, click on the plus sign. So this is the first way. Second way I show you, I just press the first Ctrl Z to undo the data. Okay. Then second way, I just select here the 5 to 10 cell. Okay, here you see the 5 to 10 row also selected. Okay, here you can select here also and go to the View tab, click on the Group option, and here not showing the 5 to 10 row number. Just click on the group. Here you see this two options showing, group row 5 to 10 and group column. I select the group row 5 to 10. Here you see same as the line with the minus sign. When you click on it, the data will group. The 5 rows will group 5 to 10. If you want to ungroup, click on the ungroup plus sign to ungroup the row. Same as if you want to column group, then select the any file. I just select the D to G. I select this line. You can select here also and go to the View tab and click on the group. Here see not showing the D to G column name. Click on the group. Here you see the two option, group row and group column D to G here showing. Just click on it, the line is showing above the column. Just click on this minus sign to column group. If you want to ungroup again, click on the plus sign. So this is two different way you can group and ungroup data. So hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.